If you're looking for a functional, compact city commuter with reliability and safety for the whole family, then take a look at this 2019 Fiat 500X in blue sky metallic. With bifunction halogen projector headlamps, front fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, blind spot and cross path detection, LED tail lamps, rear window wiper and washer, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 7,000 miles on the odometer, 7-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, split folding rear seats, dual pane panoramic sunroof, 1.3-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D6128.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.